What's going on? I am going to lower the music down. Real windshield wiper boot. Because I'm not deleting it. I find it very useful. So therefore I'm gonna keep it. Yeah. Gonna take the cover off. Just it's like that. And then you just I put a zip tie in the replacement of the boot. That's it right there. Okay, great. Yeah, see now, you got a hole. All right. Tell me how I don't have a knife. Like if you talk orange juice in there. Okay. These parts out of here. That, got this. Just gotta. I can't get one thing done. I can't do it. Push, push, push. Push. Yeah, okay. Good enough. Good enough. Tell me why my metric is gonna be for like JDM, right? And you don't put 12 inside. I think like this one is not mostly 12s. It's kind of disrespectful. Man, I moved so many places with process, but the food is in. Not really, to be honest. But like, oh my god, bro, it's coming up. And this man, like, the whole gap is right here. Okay. Real windshield, boo. Then you come over here and you're like, real windshield, boo? Oh yeah, bro. What's next?